Hey guys, we're here with Tat Granata from Florida Home Improvement Associates again today. Welcome back. Beautiful Florida day out here.
Yeah, it's really spectacular today.
You know, I get requests all the time from viewers because we cover renovations all over the state, and they always want to know, who can I hire that I can trust to be in my home? And I recommend a handful of people, and Florida Home Improvement Associates is one of them. Tell me, what is the secret to your success?
I think the most important thing we strive for as a company is recognizing who we are in the equation with the homeowner. From initially meeting them, we are a guest in their home. They've invited us to their home and conducting ourselves in the manner. Also, utilizing the size of our company and our reputation in the industry and our relationships with several different manufacturers, we're really able to sit with a lot of the homeowners on the same side of the table with them and help them identify what options are best for them without a real bias as to any manufacturer. It puts us in a unique position to really be able to help the homeowners.
So as construction goes, everything doesn't go perfectly all the time, right? You get a little issue here today, not a big one, but you're going to handle it, right?
No, unfortunately, you're right. I mean, as much as we strive for perfection every time, unfortunately, sometimes things don't go as well as we all hope. But it's important for the homeowner to recognize how important the contractor that they chose is to that equation. And just today on our way here, there was an issue with one of the doors. The homeowner was hoping that the glass was different and it came in with a different type of glass. So we quickly recognized that they're right. This needs to be changed out. So we're going to go ahead with the installation today. We're going to install it so that she's not left with a hole.
Right.
But with our company and certainly our relationships, within 7 days we'll have the new door and we'll be able to switch that out for her at no additional cost to her, of course, and with as little inconvenience as possible. So it's one of those things that you're not going to be able to see when you're making that initial decision, but the contractor you chose is vital to your overall experience because little things could come up and you want to make sure you made the right choice.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks so much, Tat Granata. It's looking good. I can't wait to see the finished product.